Cricket idol?
Yes.
My father.
Okay, yes, God.
Really happy to be play together with my son, and also waiting for a long time.
Yeah, we are making a good memories here in BPL. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. I was thinking about I was waiting for to hit a six to give a good total for opponents. I'm not that much sad for my 100. Like I missed my 100. I was like waiting for six to hit a six one.
Randy. Yes, Papi.
Naveed, we have heard about lots of things that son makes his father proud. How special it is to see your son playing at the other end and hitting sixes, boundaries, and be the man of the match.
Yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, really happy to be play together with my son, and also waiting for a long time. And I also prepare him as a professional cricketer. And in his debut, he performed really well, and we both in one crease playing together. Tell him about the situation, what's going on, what will be next ball, will be fast or slow, and he knows waiting for those balls, and he played really well. Yeah.
You have played cricket all over the world throughout your career, but today you share the field with your son. Is it the best moment of your cricket career so far?
Yeah, so far it's a good feeling, yeah. And also I'm waiting for that moment as well. Yeah, really happy, and the way he performed, the way he training from last 2 years, playing domestic cricket, to perform over there, centuries over there in the first class, in the ODIs, one day, and perform in the domestic T20 Shpagiza. Last year he played the Nepal Premier League, and this year he played Bangladesh Premier League, and the way he performing from last 2 years really good, and it's hopefully see him in the national team soon.
Awesome, congratulations. My question is, who is your cricket idol?
Cricket idol? Oui. Cricket idol?
Yes.
My father.
Okay, yes, God. Abid.
Yes, few days back, your father was adjusting the bat script for you and gave the SF bat to you. So, how much contribution of your father in your career till now? And can you share some good memories with your father?
Yeah, we are making a good memories here in BPL. In the practice or in the home, if I need help, he help me. If he need help, I give help to him. Like this, going good.
Doing good? Okay.
Naveen, what makes you think that the PPL will be the ideal platform for cycle?
Yeah, it's a good platform for the youngsters. A lot of youngsters in my team, and the way he performs in the top orders, and the way he bowls, the bowling in the bowling groups. Yeah, for the youngster, it's a great platform, and it's tough platform as well. It's not an easy platform. Condition was tough. Yeah, it's for every young player. It's ideal BPL as well, and also it's a tough condition the way everyone is playing. Yeah.
There's 3 questions. One is running.
Hassan, is it your first press conference with your father?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I'm not doing this kind of interviews. Like I'm not. I don't need to do it. I want to focus on my career and cricket, so I'm like not attending the interviews.
Was it?
Do you not dream to play with your father in the international cricket someday?
Yeah, it's my dream and his dream also to play in the national team. That's why I'm working hard and focusing on domestic. Yeah.
Oh, was it?
Okay, yes, tell me about these innings. In a father eye, always a father try to see his sons and other perfect innings and perfect something. Do you think there is any lackings in these innings in a father eyes? your suggestion and
No, it's we already spent 1.5 hours yesterday and prepare him for the game and tell him about the situation, about the bowlers, about what kind of bowlers will be bowled to you, and we all discussion yesterday as well for in the practice as well, and also I'm give a strong stick to him to throw it, and working on the base and the way he batting over there, and also all shifted to in today games. Yeah, he did in a debut. There is a pressure for the youngster in this kind of a big platform, and the way he managed this pressure, and it's not easy to perform here in the Bangladesh, depend on the tricky pitches. From last 20 days he preparing himself for this moment, but he catch that moment very well.
Basically, you are telling that your idol is your father, but you are not all-rounder like your father. You are a hard hitter, opener, batter. Any
No.
particular reason to choose?
Like I don't like bowling. Like always focusing on my batting. Like 2 hours, 1.5 hour batting. Like after that, some training, and that's it.
Okay, Abid last.
My question is to before coming here, you played the ILT with Mustafiz. On a video note, you said after Mustafiz left, it was hard for you guys to play the competition. And your comments regarding the recent Mustafiz issue, that he has been thrown out from the IPL team. And do you feel
उसका मेरे से क्या
No, no.
काम किया भाई?
Do you feel
Of
politics
your question.
Sorry
Of
भाई.
your question. No.
मेरा मुस्तफीज और उसका क्या काम है?
नहीं, okay, Nabi bhai.
It's not politic में क्या काम है मेरा उसका? I know he's a good
No, no.
bowler, all these things, but it's the way you are questioning, it's not related to me.
Yeah. No, Nabi bhai, it's okay. Thank you, Abid. Don't make controversy.
Is your father a strict father or careless father?
No, normal, like a friend. Normal.
strict in the
in
training.
the practice, like
Training. Not excuse.
Same question like him, like yesterday we saw your father, sometimes he scolded you and sometimes he like to understand you some mistakes, your mistakes. So how was your bonding actually, like father-son or friend, like friendship?
now our bonding is like a friend, like a normal person, like my own friend. Like we share everything, like about cricket and out of life. We share about.
Okay, Ronnie.
Hassan, when you play shots, especially the lofted shots, stage lofted shots, you just look similar to your father. I mean, you can recognize from far. So, did you copy him or you just came naturally?
No, it's for me. If I didn't watch until my batting, like if I watch my batting, like it, I'm not copying, and I didn't see like I'm playing like my father. If overall my friends and like normal person is telling me like you are copying your father, but I didn't like. I'm like
It's coming naturally, yes.
Yeah, coming naturally. Like I'm an opener and he's lower order, so little bit difference.
Last question.
Second, did your father give any advice in terms of facing media? I mean, a press conference with your father, but did he say something that when you are facing media, you
Away from the media.
Yeah, it's
That's what I'm telling you.
away from the media and only play cricket. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much.
You know better. Why?
Thank you.
Thank you.